If I'm doing a home inspection in Florida and I'm inspecting a sidewall and I don't see step flashing, is that a defect? Well, to answer that question, we can go to the code, the International Residential Code, and scroll down to Florida. And let's go to the Building Code 2023 for the residential part. They have a building, but this is residential. And let's go to section 905 for the requirements of roof coverings and see if we can find an answer. And it's 905, and then I scroll down to asphalt shingles, 905.2. And then it's 905, we're not done yet, 905.2.8, that's where flashing is. And it's 905.2.8, sidewall flashing. And here's the answer. Flashing against a vertical sidewall shall be by the step flashing method or continuous L flashing method. So if I'm doing a home inspection in Florida and I see a sidewall flashing area and there's no step flashing, it's not necessarily a defect. You can have either or. Now, what does step flashing and continuous L flashing look like? Go to InterNACHI's gallery of illustrations. We have thousands of illustrations that you can include in your inspection report to help you communicate what you're seeing. And so if you take a look at flashing, if you search for flashing, we have all kinds of flashing. There's headwall flashing, ledger flashing, siding flashing, and this is sidewall flashing, and this is the continuous L. And if we go back and look at sidewall flashing here, here's the step. So if I'm doing a home inspection in Florida and I'm looking at a sidewall, vertical sidewall, and I'm looking for the flashing, I could have either the step flashing or continuous L flashing.